ladies and gentlemen, to Gordon's Kitchen. Today we're going to take a little trip down south of the United States, that is. It is a Nashville hot chicken sandwich. Let's do it. First, I have chicken, boneless chicken thighs, dark meat that has been brining now for 6 hours. You can do it overnight. Perfect. We're going to take it out, pat it dry. Now that we have the chicken patted dry, we've got our buttermilk egg mixture, and I did a little seasoned flour here with a little cornstarch in it for a crisp. What we're gonna do is we're gonna do a double dip. We've got the 325 degree oil. Don't overcrowd your pan. While the chicken's frying, we're gonna take a little bit of the hot oil, throw it in the bowl, and we're gonna add this spice blend, which is mainly cayenne pepper, and you got some chili powder, paprika, granulated garlic, salt, black pepper. Throw it right in. Give it a good whisk. And that's gonna be what you're gonna paint the chicken with. All right, they're about golden brown. Cooked to an internal temperature of 165. We're just gonna give it a little bath. Just a little one. Build our hot chicken sandwich. That bad boy on top, and you got the Nashville hot chicken sandwich.